Hello to you all. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create your own custom shortcuts and you can change your shortcuts in Adobe Illustrator. It happens when you need to change the shortcut or create a custom shortcut for an operation which is not, the shortcut is not built in Adobe Illustrator. Shortcuts are really good to increase the flow of your work, so let's see how you can create a shortcut for your own. So let's get this started. Click on edit, then go to keyboard shortcut. You can press alt plus shift plus control K, that is the shortcut for this. When you click, here's tools section and menu section. So let's discuss tools section first. Here are shortcuts for tools like pen tool and anchor tool, selection, all of them. Scroll down and you'll see the shortcuts for opacity and blend modes. You can see here are no shortcuts, so what you can do, just click here and put a shortcut whatever you want, or luminosities, or you can even change a shortcut you want, like click here and change it, or go to menu commands, and if you want to add a shortcut for example this, you go to edit and to change the shortcut for redo, you can change it here easily. See that? So just click here and you see I just changed the shortcut for cut and here copy. So just put in a shortcut whatever you want and it will be copied. I'm cancelling it, I don't want to change any right now. So you see how you can change the shortcuts and add your own custom shortcuts in Adobe Illustrator. Hope you like this video. See you soon.